Hey there, welcome to MLinks. We're treating the gradient of a straight line graph. This is the introduction to the differentiation course. So we're reaching the dy over the x. But first, we have two axes, namely the x-axis and y-axis. And let's say we are given a straight line. With points on it. Let's say this P and this Q. Degrees. So this is the dy, the change in y. Are you getting it? And this is the dx. And this is the gradient shown above. Are you getting it? We have this gradient to be the vertical distance the line rises or falls between 2 points, let's say P and Q. That's divided by the horizontal distance between P and Q. So this is equal to the gradient. Are you getting it? And you must know that P is a point to the left of the point Q on a straight line, which slopes upwards from left to right. I'm getting this point A and this point B. So this is the line. Are you getting it? So we have the gradient of the line dx, which is equal to m. Are you getting it? Picking, when I'm using the m, means you've picked certain 2 points of the q, and you subtract the normal way of solving the gradient. So, and note that the gradient of the straight line is constant throughout its length. Let's try solving some examples. So the solution, the question is, P is a point 2,3 and Q is a point 6,4. You have to find the gradient. Know that the point P is left and below the Q. In this case, with the solution, we have the y to be equal to the change in the x-axis, that is the numbers with the x-axis. Are you getting it? So then let's start with the Q and the P, because to explain that P is left and below the point Q. So we're using the Q first. Are you following? So then we have Q, the x-axis to be 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. This is the change, the difference from this to this. That's what you are finding. The change in the x-axis is equal to that of the dx. So then we have So this is the answer for this question. You must know that the sloping line rises vertically from left to right by 0.25 units from every 1 unit horizontally. So let's try solving more examples to further our understanding. So let's say 2. So this is the question 2. P is 3, 5. Q is 7, 1. So in solving this solution, we draw coordinates. This 35, that's this point. 7 1. That's this point. Then we pick this is the P 35 and this Q 7 1. So the change in these 2 points, this is the y, the change in the y-axis, the change in the x-axis. So by so doing, we know that P is to the left and above point Q. So in this case, dy is equal to 1 minus 5, making it minus 4. The x is equal to, the change in the x-axis, so then 7 minus 3, making it 4. So by solving the gradient, we have it to be dy on the x is equal to minus 4 over 4, which is equal to minus 1. So this is the gradient. If you like this video, please give us a share, like, and subscribe to EM Links. Thank you.